We are what we do and how and why we do it. Behind every vaccine and every medicine for veterinary use produced under our brand, there is a story of achievement, progress, research, and development. At Syva, for over 80 years, we provide meaningful solutions for animal health. Effective and safe solutions that help to prevent, treat, and control diseases. And we have always done this in close collaboration with our customers. We have 3 manufacturing plants in Spain with state-of-the-art new technology and the capacity to produce millions of units annually with the highest quality, safety, and efficacy standards. Our headquarters are in León, Spain, and we are present in more than 60 countries through subsidiaries and our network of distributors. All this has been made possible thanks to the quality of our products, processes, and services, which are supported by strict internal and external audits, both performed by regulatory agencies and by other multinational companies holding their own registrations and for which we produce under very demanding contracts. Our quality is accredited by numbers of certifications from many authorities all over the world, including European GMP standards. Investing constantly in R&D, whether in the present or for the future, has always been in our DNA, enabling us to launch new products and improve the existing ones, while collaborating with renowned scientific institutions and promoting research. In addition to our business dedication, we have a social responsibility, and we are committed to animal health and welfare, the work of the veterinarians, and the responsible use of antibiotics. Amongst all the people who make up Syva, we have built a strong, results-oriented company with capacity for growth and continuous improvement. Syva, meaningful solutions for animal health.